This is a RHEL 8.5 server, and in this video we will learn about the VI tool in Linux. Let me show you. This is a Windows server. Here this is a log, and if I want to open this log file, I have to right click on that file, then I have to select the open with and then select the notepad. Here notepad is the supported application through which I can open the CBS log in Windows server. Likewise, in Linux, we can open a file or a configuration file using the VI tool. VI is a command line tool through which we can open a configuration file or any file. So friends, before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Now press the ls-l command here. You can see some files are present here and some directory are present here. If we notice here D is present, that means this is a directory. Here D is not present, that means this is a file. And as I told you before, using the VI tool we can open a configuration file if that configuration file supports the VI tool. And we also know that Linux has the file and directory structure operating system. That's why all configurations are stored in a file and configurations are stored in a directory. Now we will go to the log directory, var log. Here all log files are stored. Now we will open a log file using the VI tool. VI, then we will take the messages log. You can see this is the first screen appear whenever we open a log file using the VI tool. Now VI tool have the three modes. First is command mode, then insert mode, then escape mode. Now you can see whenever we will open a file using the VI tool, the first screen appears, that is the command mode. As I told you, this is the command mode, and from command mode we will go to the insert mode, and from insert mode we will go to the escape mode. Okay, we will learn it one by one. Command mode. This mode allows us to move through a file and delete, copy or paste. Here you can see this is the command mode. I can navigate through the file or I can go any location using the arrow keys. You can see my cursor is moving up and down. As I told you, using the command mode we can move through a file and also we can delete, copy, paste. I will tell you these options later in this video. Please wait. Now enter into command mode from any other mode requires the press the escape key. That means from any mode, if we want to go to the command mode, we have to use the escape key. Okay. Now insert mode enables you to insert the text into the file. In insert mode, to come in the insert mode, you simply type I. To get out the insert mode, press the escape key. Now what we will do, we will simply press the I key. You can see insert mode starts, and what is the work of this mode? Enable you to insert text into a file. That means if we want to write anything in a file, we can press the I button, I key in the computer or laptop, then it will allow us to insert any text according to the requirement in the file. Now you can see my cursor is moving. Press some enters. Now I can write here, this is a log file. You can see in insert mode it allows me to insert text or anything in that log file. And now to get out of the insert mode, press the escape key. Now if I will use the escape key or press the escape key, now I am go out from the insert mode to the command line mode. Okay. Again I told you, whenever I will press the I button, it will go to the insert mode, and insert mode I can write anything in that log file, and if my work finished, then I will use the escape key to go out from the insert mode to the command line mode. Okay. Here are some commands also. You can pause this video and use these commands to match what I have written here, and you can practice it. Now escape mode. This mode enable you to perform tasks such as saving file, executing commands. That means in escape mode I can execute some commands also, and I can also save that file to any other file, or with any name we can save this file also. Now we will check what commands we can execute in the escape mode. As I told you, from insert mode, if I will press escape, it is the escape mode or command line mode. Here you can execute some commands. Now we will check what commands you can execute here. Copy and paste in VI editor in Linux. That means we can copy or paste and using these commands here, and we will check it one by one. Double Y copies the current line. You can see my cursor is here. If I will press double I in the keyboard, it will copy the first line. As I told you, copy the current line. Now P put the copied text after the cursor. Now I will move my cursor to here, then I will press the P. You can see the copied line pressed here. This is a log file or some mistake is there. This line copied, and you can see that line pasted here. Then if we will execute the 9YY young current line and 9 lines below, you can see let's say I will insert some lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Eight and 9. Now, as I told the command 9YY, I will go to the first line. Here I will press escape to go to the escape mode. Now I will press the key 9YY. You can see here 9 lines young. That means 9 copied here. Now what will do? I will paste using the P command. You can see it inserted the lines copied using the command 9YY. Likewise, if you want to copy 1, 7, 8, 9 and the space, that means 4 lines. Here we have to use the command 4YY, then go to the here, press P. You can see 7, 8, 9 and 1 space copied here. Okay, I hope you can understand here. Then P puts the young text before the cursor. That means if we will use the capital P, it will paste the copied lines before the cursor. Okay, if we will copy 7, 8, 9, 3YY, then press capital P, you can see it pasted the 7, 8 line here before the cursor. Okay, so this is the way we can use these commands. You can also test in your desktop or laptop. Then save and exit. Q means quit, and Q, this is known as the not, Q not, quit without saving changes. WQ, write and quit. W, write to file called any file name. Then write not, overwrite to file called file name or save as forcefully. Okay, we will check these commands as well. Now we have written some lines here, we have added some lines here. If you want to save these lines, what we have to do? As I told, W, write to file called file name or WQ, overwrite or WQ, write and quit. What command we will use here? We will use the WQ, that is write and quit. Here press colon, you can notice here I have pressed the colon, then WQ. It will save the changes what we have did in the log file. Press enter, then use the vi command, you can see all changes are saved here. Okay. So using the wq we can save the changes according to the requirement. Now what we will do, we will delete all the lines. How you can delete? Go to the delete section here, using dd command 1d delete the one line, and 1, 5 deletes the lines from 1 to 5, and if we press the d bottom twice, that means dd, it will delete the present line. Here you can see I am pressing dd, it's deleting one line at a time. And if we want to remove these lines in a single command, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10. We have to remove 10 lines here. Here we have to use 1, 10d. Okay, colon 1, 10d. You can see I am writing here with the colon. Press enter. You can see 10 lines deleted. Now if you want to not save the changes, that means you have to use the command q or q not, quit without saving the changes, colon q not. You can see I am using the q not, it will forcefully exit from the file without saving the changes. We have deleted some lines and I will use the q not. Let's check again. You can see no changes made there. That means without saving the file, we exit from that file without saving using the q not. And if we will use the q, it will also go out. But whenever we did some changes, let's say I will delete 9 lines, 9 dd, I will use the 9 dd, it will delete 9 lines. Now we will use the only q option. Here it will notify me no write since last change, add semicolon to override. That means some changes are detected here. If we want to exit without saving, use the q not option here. And if we want to save, we have to use the w to save or wq to save. Okay. So here I don't want to save the changes. For that, what I will do? Q not. I will use the q not. Now check. You can see without changing we exited from the file because we use the command q not. And if we want to save the file, now what we will do? 10 dd, deleted some lines. Now we want to save, write and quit. Again, you can see saving. We save the changes using the wq with not option. Not means forcefully. Okay. Now what we will do? We can also use the w to write to file called file name. That means we can save changes to another file using the file name. Here let's say delete another lines using the 9 dd, deleted. Now w with file name abc.log. Now go out from the line, go out from the log file, press ll here. You can see abc log saved. You can notice what I did. I did the w with the file name. Okay. So this is the way we can save the log file or configuration file to another file name using the w command. Also w not override to file called a file name. It will override with any file. How we will check that? Again open the message, delete 9 lines again using 9 dd, Okay, now what we will do, we will save forcefully to the file what we have created, abc.txt. Come out from this file, q0, now ll, and check abc.txt. You can see same changes you can notice here also. Go out. Now these are the things we have tested here. Some commands, how we can copy paste, how we can save, how we can delete. Now what we will do, we will search. How? With colon we can add any string or character to search. Now again open the configuration file, again log file using the vi tool. What we will do, now we will search, let's say BIOS. Okay, as I told here, colon then string, colon then string, that is BIOS. Press enter. Sorry, what we have to do, if you want to search, we have to enter the forward slash, then the character or string. You can see it is slash then BIOS. Now you can see it is highlighted here. Now if you want to move to the next search, you can use the N in the keyboard to navigate to the next BIOS present, navigate to the line where BIOS is present. If you want to go to the previous, you have to use the P key. Okay, here you can notice whenever I am pressing the N key, it is going to the forward direction, and whenever I will press the capital N, you can see it will go in the backward direction. You can notice here I am going in backward direction. So using the N option, N, small n and capital N, I can search the character string what I am going to search in backward and forward direction. You can notice using the capital N I am going backward, and whenever I am pressing the small n, I am going in forward direction, and it is going to the BIOS in forward direction. Okay, I hope you can understand this. One command I have missed here, we can press the U to undo changes in the VI editor. Now let's test it. Press I to insert, go out, it will be easy. Now here press I, enter a text, then go out using the escape. Now here press Y. You can see the undo here. Okay, using the Y we can undo the changes. And again another command is also there. If you want to go to the bottom of the file, you can use the shift capital G. You can see this is the bottom of the configuration file, bottom of the file. Using the shift capital G, you can go to the bottom. Okay, these are the some important commands I can show you. I have show you, so you can practice these commands also. And this is all about the VI tool and the commands you can practice. I hope this video is helpful for you. So friends, thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you very much.